In this video, I'll be going over how to find volume of a triangular prism. The formula for a prism is volume equals area of base, the capital B, times by the height, which is h. So for triangle prism, the capital B, which is the area of the base, would be replaced by base times height divided by 2. Now the capital B means the area, and the small cap b is the length of the base. And the reason why we would change that to base times height divided by 2 because it is a triangular prism rather than just a regular rectangular prism. And then we will multiply by the height to get the volume of a triangular prism. And below are two examples, so we'll go over each one of them. For the first example, we'll look at the triangular portion, which is this area. And we have to determine which ones are the base and which one's the height. By looking at this, we can tell this is a right angle, and 12 would be the base, and 8 would be the height. Now, what about the height here? That height would be 4 here. That height is the overall height of the prism, not pertaining to the triangle, but the overall triangular prism. So that one would be 4. And now all we gotta do is plug it in. So we'll use the volume of base times height over 2 times by h. And base is 12. Height is 8 divided by 2. Then we want to times by 4. So 12 times by 8 is 48. Then we times that by 4. And that gives us 192 cubic feet is the volume of the first triangular prism. Now for the second example, we have a different triangle. This triangle, we know the height is 6 and the base is 8. And the 9 here would be the height of the triangular prism. So we're gonna take the volume. Base is 8, height is 6, divided by 2, times by 9. And 8 times 6 divided by 2 is 24. Times that by 9. And we have 216 cubic feet. So these two are examples of how you would find volume of a triangular prism. We want to use the formula of base times height over 2 times by height of the overall triangular prism. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.